Ever wonder how beautiful our planet is? With exotic birds, diverse flora and fauna, immense oceans, vast rivers, endless skies, and generous earth. All of which house, nourish, and protect every being under their loving care without asking for any reward. Fortunate and blessed are we indeed to live on this wondrous planet and enjoy all the precious gifts this world has to offer. May the divine be loved and thanked forever. May we always remember to appreciate and care for our Earth home.
Every Muslim and human being with any sense of compassion should watch this video, Dairy is Scary, and learn exactly how modern-day dairy products are antithetical to everything Islam stands for. Zamir Hakim Vegan and Elijah Ward Vegan.